When it comes to the specification of wall cladding, beauty may be skin deep, but performance goes right to the core. It's relatively easy to compare alternative products for their visual impact. It becomes much more difficult, however, to judge factors such as integrity of material, cleanability, ease of installation, sustainability, and resistance to slip and wear with the naked eye. So, is it a matter of out of sight, out of mind?
There's many different types of PVC sheet on the market, more so nowadays than ever before, with the amount of demand that Altro's created. And a misconception for people outside of the industry is that Whiterock relates to what the person sees, i.e. the sheet and the joining trim and the wall-to-floor detail. Whiterock is very much the system of components. Of course, if you used different types of sheet, Altro can't guarantee that one adhesive will perfectly suit another because of question marks relating to fillers and chemical reactions, etc., etc. But what we can ensure is Altro Whiterock is a fully bonded working system that's been in situ for circa 35 years, and if it's installed correctly, it really removes any risk that a potential user may have.
With aspects of performance dictated by decisions made by the manufacturer involving the quality of raw materials, the specific recipe, the manufacturing process and quality procedures, should a remarkably cheaper product ring alarm bells?
Obviously, I can talk quite happily about Altro Whiterock, but again, there are other types of product on the market, and of course we have no control as to what fillers they use, which could affect its thermoforming characteristics, its UV stability, and obviously if the thickness of the sheet is compromised, then it won't necessarily do what the client is expecting it to. It can be a minefield in today's marketplace to know the compilation of different types of PVC sheet. So therefore, by ensuring that we use good quality, high-performing fillers within the extrusion of Altro Whiterock, at least we can ensure at least the product's fit for purpose and will last the desired amount of time.
As the only company on the market offering a dedicated wall cladding installation training school, Altro are firm believers that installation is key.
And Altro prides itself on running different training schools per product family, so that relates to Altro resins, to Altro safety flooring, to Altro Whiterock. And part of the content of these courses is to refresh existing users and to bring them up to date with the most advanced installation techniques, because time is money. And the training, certainly on the Altro Whiterock training school, it's never been in more demand. Altro again takes responsibility for the installation. We do have a network of premier installers that have been part of the Altro route to market for some 14 to 15 years. But obviously we have many very high quality installers that use the product that are not part of the premier installer network as well. And we offer the training facility to those companies as well, to be able to take responsibility in getting a standard of installation that one would expect from Altro.
Sustainability is increasingly important. Altro is leading the way in this area and is dedicated to reducing its landfill and developing a sustainability program.
We're pleased to be able to announce recently that Altro Whiterock has gained a BREEAM A+ rating, which is the first to market yet again from Altro. It really applies to the environmentally built project to make sure that the product is fully sustainable. Indeed, in terms of sustainability, Altro has reduced its waste material to landfill by over 70% in the last 3 years. And on the Whiterock offcuts side of the business, we have a collection program that providing the sheet hasn't been contaminated with adhesive and they're true offcuts of Altro Whiterock, then we can use that to go back into the product and window profiles and things like that. So it's a complete, seamless sustainability program.